Today we are going to discuss about integration by substitution of the form integration f of x power n into f dash of x dx and integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. On completion of this topic, you would be able to solve the problem in integration of the form integration f of x power n into f dash of x dx and to solve problem in integration of the form integration f dash of x by f of x dx. So what is integral of 3x plus 5 whole power 4? Here, integration 3x plus 5 whole power 4 into dx equal to, this is form of previous class formulas. This is formation of ax plus b formation, ax plus b whole power 4 formation. Here x power n formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is 3x plus 5 whole power n. Take it as 3x plus 5 as one of the t, that is t power n formula t power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is for 3x plus 5 whole power 5 by 5. Here in this ax plus b, x quotient is 3. X quotient is denominator of the total answer, that is 1 by 3 of 3x plus 5 whole power 5 by 5 plus c is equal to 3x plus 5 whole power 5 by 3 into 5 is 15. So 3x plus 5 whole power 5 by 15 plus c. How do you integrate using substitution method or change of variable? How do you integrate using substitution method or change of variables? By suitable substitution, the variable of integration is changed to another variable. By suitable substitution, the variable of integration is changed to another variable. So suppose ax plus b is a variable. Suitable substitution, let ax plus b equal to t. The integrand is changed into standard form. In the in that way, integrand changed to standard export information, that is T for information. The function is known as integrate. Now, the function is now integrated easily and directly. In that way, the function is integrated easily and directly. So, integral of the form f of x power n into f dash f x dx when n is positive integer. N is integer. Solution. Put f of x equal to t. So take out f of x equal to t. So then derivative both side, f dash of x dx equal to derivative of t d. Take out the question. Integration f of x power n into f dash of x dx equal to, here f dash of x dx equal to dt and f of x equal to t. Put f of x is t, that is t power n, and f dash of x dx equal to dt, t power n into dt. T power n integration is t power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Therefore, integration f of x power n into f dash of x dx equal to, here f t is, what is t? T equal to here f of x. F of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So, this is very important formula for the complicated problems. If any problem contain question and the derivative, this answer belongs to f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here f of x is the sum of the function, one of the function. Then f of x derivative also exists in that question also. Therefore, the answer will give, no need to do any work. F of x power f of x as is f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Suppose f of x is log x. Take f of x is log x. F dash of x is 1 by log x into 1 by x, answer is log x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. This is the easy important. If you uh, remember always, evaluate, suppose example, evaluate 1 plus log x whole power 5 by x dx. So this is a very long process. 1 plus log x whole power 5, apply whole power 5 formula, either let it as t. So this is the easy problem using previous formula. Here 1 plus log x is f of x, 1 by x is f dash of x, take out. So put 1 plus log x equal to t. Uh, Apply both side derivative. So one derivative is 0, log x derivative 1 by x dx equal to dt. Here integration 1 plus log x power 5 by x dx equal to, here dx by x equal to dt. 1 plus log x is t power 5. T power 5 into dt, that equal to t power 6 by 6. The answer is 1 plus log x power 6 by 6 plus c. So simply we say that easily say answer is log x, answer one derivative is 0, log x derivative is 1 by x. So 1 by x here exists. So answer is 1 plus log x power 6 by 6. Uh, Evaluate, next step, evaluate integration sine inverse x whole power 4 by under root of 1 minus x square dx. So sine inverse x derivative is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Here f of x exists and the derivative also is there. So answer is sine x power 4 plus 1, that is sine x power 5 by 5 plus this simple answer. So do in proper way. Put sine inverse x equal to t. Okay. Derivative both sides. Sin inverse x derivative is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx equal to dt. This implies integration. Therefore, integration sin inverse x whole power 4 by under root of 1 minus x square dx equal to, here sin inverse x equal to, we are taking sin inverse x equal to, put in sin inverse x equal to t, that is t power 4, and 1 by dx by under root of 1 minus x square is dt. Dx by under root of 1 minus x square is dt. So t power 4 into dt, integration of x power n is x power n plus 1. T power 4 integration is t power 5 by 5 plus 6. What is t? T is sin inverse. That is sin inverse x whole power 5 by 5 plus c. Next example. Evaluate integration tan power 4 into secant square x dx. Here take tan as f of x. So tan derivative is obviously secant square x. Okay. F of x exists and their derivative also exists. F of x power n into f dash of x dx formula using, that answer is t power 5 by 5. So in proper way. Put tan x equal to t. So derivative tan x is derivative both sides with respect to x. Tan x derivative is secant square x dx is equal to dt. So integration, therefore integration t power 4 in t power 4 into x into secant square x dx equal to, here tan x equal to t, that is t power 4. Secant square x dx equal to t power 4 into dt, t power 4 integration t power 5 by 5 plus c. What is t? T equal to tan x power 5 by 5 plus c. Next example, right? Integral of the form. So next type, integral of the form f of x power n into x power n minus 1 into dx in f of x. Okay, not f of x power n. F of x power n, fx power n, not fx power n. F of x power n into x power n minus 1 into dx. So suppose in the problem, put x power n equal to n into x power n dx equal to dt. Apply both side derivative on both side. Uh, X power n derivative n into x power n minus 1 into dx equal to derivative of t is dt. So x power n minus 1 dx equal to 1 by n into dt. Therefore, integration f of x power n into x power 1 x power n minus 1 into dx equal to integration x power n equal to here t, f of t x power n minus 1 into dx equal to 1 by n into dt. So 1 by n into dt. Take out 1 by n here, constant term is outside. So integration f of x power n into x power n minus 1 dx equal to 1 by n into integration f of t dt, which is the standard form and can be integrated easily. This is the, this formula used for convert the problem into easy way. Example 4. Evaluate x power 3 into cos x power 4 dx. Here, uh, what is t? Which value we have to take as t? So, put to highest value x power n is t. X power n minus 1 is not a t. X power n. Here x power n is highest power is 4. So, put x power 4 equal to t. Differentiating with respect to x, derivative of x power 4 is 4 into x cube dx equal to dt. This implies x cube dx equal to 1 by 4 into dt. So, therefore, integration x cube into cos x power 4 into dx equal to, here x power 4 equal to t, that is cos t, x cube into dx equal to x cube into dx equal to 1 by 4 into dt. That equal to 1 by 4 into integration cos t dt. That is 1 by 4 into cos t integration is, cost integration is minus sin t, not minus sin t plus sin t. Here we are using integration, not derivative. Integration of cost is sin t plus c, 1 by 4 sin t plus c. This will apply in place of t as x power 4. That is answer is 1 by 4 into sin x power 4 plus c. Evaluate integration x cube by under root of 1 minus x power 8 dx. X cube by under root of 1 minus x power 8 dx. Here, which one we take t? Here x power 8 and remaining is x power 3. Take x power 8 as x power 4 whole square. Therefore, it will come 1 under root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x way. So x power 4 whole square. Take out x power 4 equal to t. Derivative both side with respect to x. Derivative both side. 4x cube dx equal to dt. So x cube, 4 is a constant term, we are taking right side. X cube into dx equal to 1 by 4 into dt. So from question, therefore, integration x cube by under root of 1 minus x power 8 dx equal to integration x cube by under root of 1 minus x power 8 is x power 4 whole square dx. Substitute t values in place of x power 4 and x cube dx. Example 5 continue. Uh, Numerator part is x cube dx. X cube dx equal to 1 by 4. Denominator part is 1 by x power 4 whole square. Here x power 4 equal to t. Therefore, integration 1 by under root of 1 minus t square into 1 by 4 t. Take out 1 by 4 constant as common. 1 by 4 into integration 1 by under root of 1 minus under root of 1 minus t square dt. So 1 by 4 into 1 by under root of 1 minus t square is sin inverse t. 1 by 4 into sin inverse t plus c. So 1 by 4 into sin inverse of t is x power 4. What is t value is 1 by 4 into sin inverse x power 4 plus c. Therefore, integration x cube by under root of uh, 1 minus x power 4 whole square dx equal to 1 by 4 into sin inverse x power 4 plus c. 1 by 4 into sin inverse x power 4 plus c. Example 6. Evaluate integration x power n minus 1 into secant square x power n into dx. This is the proper way to 1 by n simple. By using formula f of t 1 by f of t dt. So put x power n equal to t. So n into x power n minus 1 dx equal to also dt, derivative on both sides, that is n into x power n minus 1 dx equal to dt. So n is a constant, I'll take out right side, x power n minus 1 into dx equal to 1 by n into dt. From question, therefore, integration n x power n minus 1 into secant square x power n dx equal to x power n minus 1 into dx is 1 by n into dt. Secant square x power n is secant square d. Next continue. So 1 by n into secant square t dt. 1 by n into secant square t dt. Secant square integration secant square t is tan t. That is 1 by n into tan t plus c. So 1 by n into tan, what is t value? T value is x power n option. 1 by n into t tan x power n plus c. Integration x power n minus 1 into secant square x power n dx equal to 1 by n into tan x power n plus c. Summary. We have learned how to evaluate the integral of the form integration f of x power n into f dash of x dx is equal to f of x power n plus 1 by x1 c. And second one is integration f of x power n into x power n minus 1 into dx equal to 1 by n into f of t dt. Integration 1 by n into integration f of t dt. Those are very important formulas. If problem is complicated, convert it into easy way and use this formula. It will give direct answer. Is so integration x power 5 by 1 plus x power 12 dx. This is previous. This is like as previous problem. So here 1 by x power 12 can be written as x power 6 whole square. Integration x power 5 by x power 6 whole square dx. Here 1 by x power 5 dx equal to x power 5 into dx equal to I hope 1 by 6 into dt 1 by t square. Integration 1 by t square is tan inverse t 1 by 6 as 1 by 6 tan inverse t tan inverse x power 6. So first one is the correct answer. Take out x power 6. In this x power 6 is t derivative x power 6 6 into x power 5 dx equal to dt. X power 5 dx equal to dt by 6. Here dt by 6 right. X power 5 dx equal to dt by 6. And 1 plus x power 12 is x square x power 6 whole square. That is 1 plus t whole square. Integration 1 by 1 plus t whole square into dt. 1 by 6 into that is first answer is correct answer. And next evaluate integration 1 by x into log x dx. Here take out log x as f of x 1 by log x. Log x power minus 1 is a so take out log x is numerator term. So log x power minus 1 is f of x. Here minus 1 is n f of x power n into f dash of x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. F of x into f dash of x dx. That is f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 3. This is the first formula. Uh, that is log x power minus 1 plus 1 by minus 1 plus 1. Very good. Log x power minus 1. So, yeah. And x into log x. X power minus 1 minus x power minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Either log x equal to t, log x equal to t. Derivative of log x is 1 by x dx equal to t. 1 by x dx equal to t. And 1 by x and 1 by x dx. So 1 by t, 1 by t dt equal to log t. Log of log x plus c is our correct answer. C is the correct answer. Let log x equal to t. Log x equal to t, that is derivative on both sides. Derivative of log x is 1 by x dx equal to dt. So 1 by x dx is dt, log x is t. Integration 1 by t into dt. 1 by t is integration of 1 by x dx equal to log x square. Log of here t is log x plus c. C is the correct answer. And next one, frequently asked to previously asked to questions in IP. Evaluate the following integration. Integration x cube by under root of 1 minus x power 8 dx. This is the previous example problem. So same as the example problem. Take out x power 8 as x power 4 whole square. So take out x power 4 equal to t. It will give 4x cube, that is 1 by 3. So 1 by 4 of it will give 1 by 4 of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx, that is called 1 by 4 of sin inverse x power 4 is our answer. E power sin inverse x by under root of 1 minus x square dx. Let here sin inverse x equal to t. Sin inverse x equal to t means e power t. Sin inverse x derivative, apply derivative on both sides, that is sin inverse x derivative is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square into dx equal to dt. Here dx by under root of 1 minus x square equal to dt. Integration e power t dt equal to e power t plus c, that equal to e power sin inverse x plus c, as is the answer. And third question, cos log x by x dx. Take out log x as t. Log x derivative is 1 by x. So that is derivative also is here. 1 by x dx equal to dt. Cos t dt is cos t integration is sin t plus d, that is sin x plus c. Assignment. Evaluate x power 5 by 1 by x power 12 dx. Evaluate, this is also easy way. Convert x power 12 as x power 6 whole square. It will give easy answer. That is 1 by 6 to tan inverse x power 6 is the answer. Evaluate integration tan square x into secant square x by 1 plus tan cube x whole square dx. So tan square x into secant square x by 1 plus tan cube x. Take out tan cube x is t. Tan cube x derivative 3 tan square x into tan x derivative is secant square x. So numerator term is a derivative term, that is 1 by 3 into uh, 1 plus tan inverse x is tan inverse x, tan inverse of tan cube x by 3. Answer. Recap integral of the hyperbolic function in next order. Sin h of next order. Again. Compute e power 2x dx. E power 2x integration is e power 2x by 2, because x coefficient is here 2, that is e power 2x by 2 plus 6, simple answer. Now into the total way. Method of integration of the form. Next second form is second method is, I hope this is the third method, integration of the form. Integration f dash f x by f of x into dx. Solution, put f of x equal to t, obviously. So that f dash of x dx equal to dt. So therefore integration f dash of x by f of x dx equal to f dash of x dx equal to dt. F of x equal to dt by d, that equal to 1 by t into dt is log t. This is equal log f of x. Therefore, this is the formula. Integration f dash of x by f of x dx equal to log f of x plus c. Evaluate integration cot x by log sin x dx. Formula is our formula. Integration f dash of x by f of x dx equal to log f of x plus c. So apply this formula. Evaluate integration cot x by log sin x dx. Suppose denominator is f of x. Put log f of x, log sin x equal to t. Derivative with respect to we get log x derivative is 1 by x, that equal 1 by sin x, and sin x derivative is cos x dx, and right side derivative of d is dt. Cos x by sin x dx is cot x dx equal to dt. So numerator term is derivative of denominator term. So that is f dash of x by numerator is f dash of x, denominator is f of x. F dash of x by f of x dx equal to log f of x plus log of sin x plus dt is the answer. So integration cot x by log sin x dx equal to cot x dx is dt, log sin x is t. 1 by t dt equal to log t, that is log of here t value is log sin x plus c. Evaluate 1 by x into log x of into log x dx. This is a very heavy problem. So we use previous we use this formula either commonly. So let log x equal to t. This is a complicated term. So put it as let as log x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x, we get log x derivative is 1 by x. Here x plus is log x, that is 1 by log x. And log x derivative is 1 by x. That is therefore 1 by x into log x dx equal to dt. Therefore, integrate our question integration 1 by x log x into log x dx equal to uh, log x is t. Put 1 by x into log x dx equal to dt, so that is dt. 1 by t integrated 1 by t dt equal to, that is log t, is equal to, here apply the value log log x plus c. Evaluate 1 by 1 plus e power x dx. Put 1 plus e power x equal to t. Therefore, e power x equal to t minus 1. Differentiate x, differentiate to x, we get with respect to x, we get e power x dx equal to dt. So therefore, dx equal to dt by e power x is equal to dt by t minus 1. Dx equal to dt by t minus 1. So therefore, 1 integration 1 by 1 plus e power x dx equal to dt by 1 plus e power x is t, and dx equal to dt by t minus 1. Dt by t into t minus 1. So integration 1 by t minus 1 minus 1 by t, it will give upper value also, upper, simplify this, it will give upper step. So 1 by t minus 1 by t dt equal to integration 1 by t minus 1 dt minus 1 by t dt. So 1 by x formula log x. So 1 by t minus 1 is log t minus 1. Minus 1 by t is integration log t plus c. So what is apply the t value log of 1 plus e power x minus 1 minus log of 1 plus e power x plus c. 1 cancel, log e power x minus log 1 plus e power x plus c. Uh, log e cancel, that is x minus log 1 plus e power x plus c. The example 4, evaluate integration secant x dx. So we don't have a secant x formula. So this is the one of the formula of secant x. So secant x dx is equal to secant x into secant x plus tan x multiply and divide with sec x plus tan x by sec x plus tan x dx. Therefore, sec x, if f of x equal to sec x plus tan x, then f dash of x equal to sec x derivative is sec x into tan x dx plus tan x derivative secant square x dx. So numerator term is take out sec x is common, sec x into sec x plus tan x dx. So f dash of x dx is sec x into, so denominator is f of x, numerator is f dash of x. So therefore f dash of x by f of x dx equal to log f of x plus c. So numerator is, here numerator is sec x plus tan x is f of x. Denominator f of x equal to sec x plus tan x. Numerator f dash of x equal to sec x into sec x plus tan x dx. Therefore, it will be using formula integration f dash. x by f of x dx equal to log f of x dx. So therefore integration sec x into sec x plus tan x by sec x plus tan x dx equal to log sec x plus tan x plus c. Evaluate integration tan x dx. This is also one of the formula. We don't have this type of formula tan x sec x and cosec x. So this is the formula integration of tan x dx. Integration of tan x dx equal to tan x derivative. Tan x formula is tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta theta. So put cos x equal to, this is also f dash of x by f of x formula, but there is no minus. Suppose cos x is f of x, cos x derivative is minus sin x. Put minus on outside and inside, either common way. Put cos x equal to e, so that cos x derivative is sin x dx equal to minus dt. So dx equal to minus dt by sin x. Well, either sin x dx equal to minus dt. Integration of tan x dx equal to uh, cos x equal to 1 by t into dx equal to minus dt, minus t equal to minus. So dt by t 1 by t is log t plus c, minus of log of t is here cos x, log cos x plus c, uh, minus log t. Base is the power of cos x, log base is the power of cos x. So log cos x power minus 1, that equal to log 1 by cos x plus c. 1 by cos x is log sec x plus c. So integration of tan x dx equal to log sec x plus c. So in previous formula, integration of sec x dx equal to log sec x plus tan x plus c. Sec x is sec x plus tan x. Tan x is log sec x plus c. Next, integration of cosec x dx. Formula and question. Integration of cosec x dx. This is the same previous way. Cosec x into multiply and divide with cosec x minus cot x by cosec x minus cot x. If f of x equal to denominator cosec x minus cot x dx, then derivative both sides with respect to f dash of x dx equal to cosec x derivative is cosec x into cot x dx. Uh, cot x derivative is minus cosec square x, minus into minus plus cosec square x dx. So f dash of x equal to, take out cosec x as common, cosec x into cosec x minus cot x plus c, cosec x minus cot x dx. Therefore integration, denominator is f of x, numerator is f dash of x. Integration f dash of x by f of x dx equal to log f of x plus c, that is log cosec x minus cot. Therefore integration cosec x into cosec x minus cot x by cosec x minus cot x dx equal to log cosec x minus cot x plus c. Evaluate integration cot x dx. Evaluate integration cot x dx. Solution: integration cot x dx equal to cot x, their formula is cos x by sin x dx. This is simple way. Here denominator sin x is f of x, take denominator sin f of x, numerator is sin x derivative is cos x. So f dash of x by f of x is log f of x, please. That is one simple answer, log sin x plus c. So cot x is log sin x. Sin x, tan x is log sec x. So far you have learn how to evaluate the integral of the form integration f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log f of x, and so and other remaining formulas of integration of tan x dx equal log sec x plus c, integration of cot x dx equal log sin x plus c, integration of sec x dx equal log sec x plus tan x plus c, I r log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. So fourth formula, integration of cosec x dx equal to log cosec x minus cot x plus c, or log tan x by 2 plus c, is integration 1 by x into log x dx. So we integrated into this log x plus c simple, e power x by e power x plus 1. Uh, Here take out e power x plus 1 is So this is the form of f dash f x by f of x formula. Suppose take f of e power x plus 1 is f of x. So e power x plus 1 derivative is e power x plus 0. So numerator is f dash of x, denominator is f of x is equal to log f of x plus c. That is log 1 plus e power x plus c. The correct answer. Next, third. Integrate tan 3x dx. Actually, in previous formula, tan x derivative is integration of tan x is log sec x. So tan 3x derivative log 1 by 3 log sec 3x. So log sec 3x. But x quotient is here 3. That is take out denominator 3. 1 by 3 log sec 3x plus c. This is the correct answer. And cot phi x dx. Log cot x, log cot x answer is, sorry, integration cot x dx equal to log sin x plus c. That is log sin phi x. But x here x quotient is phi, denominator phi, log sin phi x by phi plus c. So B and C, so C is the correct answer. Frequently asked IPU questions are evaluate integration x power e minus 1 plus e power x minus 1 by x power e plus e power x dx. Next, evaluate integration cos 2x by cos x plus sin x plus cos x whole square. Evaluate sin x into cos x by a cos square x plus b sin square x dx. Evaluate integration 1 plus cos x by x into sin x dx. Use the previous problem. This is the evaluate. Second one is easy way. So f dash of x by f of x formula. Suppose x into sin x is f of x. F of x derivative is x derivative is 1. Sin x derivative is cos x. So simple. The answer is log x plus sin x. Next. In first question, a into cos square x plus b into sin square x dx. Um, Let a cos square x plus b sin x equal to. I need to give the easy answer. Um, so frequently asked question: evaluate e power x power e minus 1 plus x power e power x minus 1. So let denominator as t x power e plus e power x as t, and derivative both side give the correct answer also. So in second question, cos 2x by sin x plus cos x whole square. Let sin x cos x equal to t, that is t square. Sin x derivative is cos x derivative sin x for sin x minus cos x derivative. Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. You apply the cos 2x formula, cos square x into sin square x. So direct apply cos square x minus sin square x. So cos square x to sin square x formula a plus b into a minus b, sin x cos x cancel. So sin x denominator 1 sin x cos x existed. Numerator is cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x. So next to apply f dash of x paper. Numerator is cos x minus sin x. Denominator is sin x plus cos x. And sin x derivative cos x derivative minus sin x, cos x minus sin x. So f dash of x by f of x formula it will give x e power x power e power x answer. X power e into 1 by e power x into e power minus 1 is 1 by x power e derivative e into x power e minus 1. Simple. Uh, Apply derivative. Let f of x equal to x into e. x power e into e power x. Derivative of x power is x power e into x power e minus 1. Derivative of e power x is e power x derivative is e power x. Take out this denominator e as e power minus 1, which will give is the answer. Okay, I will discuss one more different types of example in next class. Thank you.